Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a Honda Fit and we need to say replace this battery here because this battery is dead in the key fob. And the way you would replace it is there's a screw right here. You're going to want a small screwdriver. This is a P0. And just loosen that screw. There's a little indent right here on the side here where you can get a screwdriver in there to kind of pry it open. And then we pop it open. And then you just gotta put your finger here and pop this open, and then you have the battery right there. Just pop the old battery out, and then when you get a new one, and this is a CR1616, you put back in and just put it back in the direction you've seen the one come out. This one is the lettering goes on the back, and press it in and then couple it back together here, line everything up, just snap it back together. Then put it back in here. Note that you have a little lip here on the back. You're going to want to get to go in there in this back piece first, and then squeeze it down, and then just tighten up the screw. And then you can test it. And it works. So that's how you replace the battery in your key fob on the Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.